All right, we're back. So, we are going to do a worksheet together, okay? Now, go a little closer. Now, this worksheet is about capital A's for place names. So basically proper nouns, right? Proper nouns. So, as we know, just to review, a proper noun might be something like Salt Lake City, right? A city. If it says city and it has a capital C, it's probably a place. Proper noun. Now, a specific place like Tops Market. I don't know where Tops Market is. It's just a grocery store, right? Lincoln Elementary School. So that's probably the name for a school, right? So here, 1 through 5, I want you to get your notebook. Right, Monday 3.23, classwork and name. And just start with 1 to 5. Okay, don't worry about this yet. 1 to 5. Give you about 20 more seconds to write. Monday 3.23, classwork. 1 through 5. Miss Liz is gonna eat a mint. Monday 3.23, classwork. 1 to 5. Okay, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. All right, your name. Okay, so in this worksheet, I want you to try to write the proper noun correctly with capital letters. Okay? The first one is Central Park. How do I write that proper noun correctly? Please write it in your notebook. Number 2, Riverside Drive. We'll do 2 and then I'll do the correct answer. So number 1, Central Park. Number 2, Riverside Drive. What do I capitalize on these proper nouns? Central Park, Riverside Drive. Please write the correct answer in your notebook. Okay, let's see the correct answer. So, for number 1, Central Park. Okay? Central Park, we capitalize the C and the P. Central Park. Now, Riverside Drive. Now remember, Riverside is a compound word, right? Because it's 2 words, river and side. Riverside. So we do not capitalize the S though, because it's 1 word, Riverside. Okay? So we capitalize the R and the D. Okay? Let's move on. Chicago, Illinois. Now Chicago's a city and Illinois is a state. So how do you capitalize? How do you make it correct, the proper noun? All right? Chicago, Illinois. And number 4, Burger King. Maybe you know Burger King. Is this how Burger King is written? Is that correct? How do I write correctly the proper noun, Burger King? And number 5, Niagara River. How do I capitalize, correctly write the proper noun, Niagara River? So I want you to do that in your notebook right now. I'll give you like 10 seconds. Okay, so let's start with Chicago, Illinois. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but there is a comma between Chicago and Illinois. Because in English, a city and a state together has a comma between it. Or a city and a country. So I'll give you another example. If I said to you, I live in Guiyang, China, I would put a comma between Guiyang and China, okay? So I want you to pay attention to that. We'll come back to that later, okay? So number 4, Burger King. All right? We must capitalize the B and the K for Burger King. Okay? And the last one, Niagara River. We capitalize the N and the R, all right, for Niagara River. Now, for the next part of this worksheet, all I want you to do is say correct or incorrect, okay? So, when I show you the proper noun, I want you to tell me, is the proper noun written correctly or incorrectly? So incorrect or correct. Correct means good, incorrect means bad, okay? So this first one, number 6, New York City. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Why? Because this is how you write New York City. Okay? So, it is incorrect because city is not capitalized. So, number 7. Look at number 7. Grand Canyon. So, this is this proper noun, written, is this proper noun incorrect or correct? Remember, correct is good, incorrect is bad. Number 7. Correct! Grand Canyon is written correctly. So, I will write the word correct. Okay, you don't have to do anything, okay? You don't need to write in your notebook. Just tell me. So, number 8. Beach Street. Is the proper noun correct or incorrect? Beach Street. Is it written correct or incorrect? Number 8 is correct. Okay. All right. Number 9. North America. Now this is a continent, right? Is this continent, this proper noun, correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Why? Because they did not capitalize the N in North America. We need that N capitalized, right? Okay, number 10. Strawberry Island. Strawberry Island. Remember, an island is like a piece of land in the middle of water, right? Strawberry Island. It is incorrect. We need to capitalize island, just like we capitalize street, right? Or, okay. And number 11, Atlantic Ocean. This is one of the big oceans we studied. Is this correct? This proper noun, correct or incorrect? That's right. It is correct. We have to capitalize ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Very good. Okay, so now I want you in your notebook actually, go ahead. Leave the notebook out. Okay, you don't need to write anything in your notebook. We're going to do this really fast, okay? When I point to the word, I want you to tell me common or proper. Okay? So and then write it, I'll write it correctly. Number 12, Florida. Common or proper? That's right. It's a proper noun, and we have to capitalize it. Okay? Number 13, city. Common or proper? City. That's right. It's a common noun, and it's written correctly. Number 14, island. Common or proper? That's right. It is common noun. Common. It's not Strawberry Island. It's not Ellis Island. It's not Hainan, Sanya Island. Okay? It's just a common noun. Number 15, Canada. Common or proper? Very good. It is a proper noun, and we have to, we have to capitalize the C in Canada. Okay? Number 14, common or proper? Street. Street is a common noun, no capital. And number 17, Washington. Do you remember the Washington?